तुमकां वाव दिवचो आनी तुमी NCP गोंयान फुडें वाडोवपा खातीर काम करतले अशें तुमकां मता खातीर तुमी दिसता की तुमकां खंयचो तरी एक बरोसो पोस्ट दिवचो?
हांव अशें म्हणना, पण एक ज्या तरेन एखाद्या व्यक्तीक एखादो बरें जर काम करतलो, पक्ष बांधणी करतलो, तेन्ना ताका एक शक्ती दिवपाची गरज आसता. ही शक्ती राजकीय शक्ती आसता.
आतां तुमी म्हटलें की पॉलिटिकल पोजिशन तुमकां मेळूंक जाय जर पार्टी स्ट्रेंथन करतले जाल्यार. आतां विधानसभेचें तर इलेक्शन ना, लोकसभेचे फुडल्या 5 वर्सां ना, आतां उरले ते लागीं महाराष्ट्रान तुमचे NCP काँग्रेस कोएलिशन आसा. म्हणजे तुमी अशें चिंतूंक सोदता की तुमच्या मनान अशे विचार आसा की तुमकां NCPन राज्यसभेक बीन तिकेट दिवन राज्यसभेक व्हरचें बीन म्हणून अशें कितें?
ना, हो अर्थात प्रश्न शरदरावांचो आसा, NCP पक्षाचो आसा. राजकीय दृश्टिकोनांतल्यान योग्यतेची जी बाब आसा ही तांणी ठरोवपाची गरज आसा. आणि त्या प्रमाण जर म्हाका ती जर शक्ती जर शरदरावांनी आणि NCPच्या फुडाऱ्यांनी जर दिली तर तो पक्ष बांधणीचो यत्न म्हजे कडल्यान जातलो. बट हीज ॲबसन्स बिकॉज ऑफ हीज हेल्थ इन हीज कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी रिजल्टेड इन टू अ टोटल डिबॅकल. The constituency returned almost 2,500 votes more. But I will give him the benefit of doubt because some more areas were added to his constituency.
You are ready to give benefit of doubt to Dr. Willy?
Right now, I am in the NCP. I have been asked to come back to the fold. I may leave for Delhi in a short time, and after meeting Sharad Rao, I will leave Mr. Pawar to take the decision.
After the break, watch Goa Medical College again in line of fire and police register Mahanand's wife's statement. Do not go anywhere, we will be right back. Welcome back. Ponda police have registered statement of Mahanand's wife Pooja Nayak. Her statement is registered after locals expressed their doubts about her involvement in all crimes done by Mahanand.
Ponda police have registered statement of Mahanand's wife Pooja Nayak. The statement is registered after continuous demand from people. People had expressed doubt about her involvement in Mahanand's crimes. After giving her statement, Pooja preferred to stay away from media and dodged media by giving some vague reasons. Our reporter from Ponda, Vivek Prabhu.
Visitors to Archaeological Museum in Old Goa can now obtain lots of information on ships used by sailors during the 15th century AD. To mark International Museum Day, Archaeological Survey of India on Monday opened an upgraded maritime gallery at the museum.
Every day, this museum in Old Goa attracts hundreds of visitors and tourists from all over India and abroad. This museum houses some of the finest artifacts, religious deities and statues which dating back to Portuguese and pre-Portuguese era. Now, the attraction for visitors at the museum is the newly upgraded Maritime Gallery. This Maritime Gallery has the replica of the ship that Vasco da Gama used for finding sea route to India. The gallery also has lots of graphic information on various techniques and methods used by sailors to navigate in 15th century AD. Archaeologist N. Tahir said that their main focus is now to attract more people to the museum by providing valuable information to the history enthusiasts.
Now we want to educate the younger generation that they should know about their ancestral past. So that is the main concept why we are trying to enliven the museum by making more interpretation. So previously we had only this one small boat, and by itself people used to come and see and go, but people did not know about its interpretation. So now you can see the walls and you can see how we have given more graphic information, and you can see the people also. So they are very curious, they want to know. Everyone wants to know, but it is for us to spread to them that how best to interpret our heritage.
For history enthusiasts, museums are the best place to learn history and also experience it.
इज़ एन म्यूज़ियम डे, तो आज हमने यहाँ पर आकर के देखा कि हमारे बच्चों को बहुत खुशी हुई इस बारे में कि यहाँ पे सब पुरानी चीज़ें इतनी संभाल करके रखी हुई है ताकि उनको पूरा इतिहास पता चले अपने बच्चों को, और हमने उनको एक एक चीज़ें अच्छे से बताई और बतलाया कि ये हमारा इतिहास है और देखिए कितने अच्छे से इन लोगों ने यहाँ पर संभाल करके रखा हुआ है.
Our reporter from Old Goa, Rakesh Kandolkar, with video journalist Yashwant Parab.
Goa Medical College has once again come under severe criticism. This time, Gaunekar family from Fonda has alleged that their son Prasad lost his leg purely due to the negligence of GMC doctors. Prasad is presently treated at a private hospital in Panji. Here at the private hospital, Prasad's leg was separated from his body as it was the only hope for his survival.
Recently, Prudent Media had shown the plight of newborn babies and their mothers at GMC maternity wards. But this time, the accusation against GMC is severe. Rajan Gaunekar, brother of Prasad, says his brother met with an accident at Kavle. Rajan has alleged that in spite of requesting 108 to shift Prasad to private hospital, he was moved to GMC. The first operation of Prasad at GMC was a failure. Rajan further alleged that in spite of urgency, Prasad's second operation was not done at GMC.
5-6 दीस ताजे करूकूच ना म्हणजे पांयांक वास मारपा लागलो ताज्या वास मारता म्हणून आमी ताका दुसऱ्या हॉस्पिटलान शिफ्ट केलो थंय म्हणपा लागले की ताजो पांय तो कुसला म्हणून
तो ये आपने बोला नहीं कि पर इसमें स्मेल आ रहा है
बोला कि ऐसा ही आता है वो तुम डॉक्टर है कि हम मैं डॉक्टर हूँ ड्रेसिंग केल्ले पण भितर वास मारतालो सामको.
Now the family entirely blames GMC for the sufferings of their young son.
आमकां अशें करतले तर गरिबांक आनी कितें कितें करतले ते आमी इतलो प्रेशर मारून हे मारून म्हज्या भावाची आज पांयाची ही स्थिती जाल्या.
However, when we contacted senior GMC officials on the matter, they said that they would be able to comment only after receiving full details of the case. This incident has once again questioned the quality of healthcare facilities at GMC. For Gaunekars, it's a big loss as their young son has lost his leg. Our reporter from Panji, Rakesh Kandolkar with video journalist Yashwant Parab.
Let's take a short break, watch news from boxing and football after the break. Stay tuned.